got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
It's him, bud.
Appreciate it, man. What kind of alternator you got right here?
400 watt auto tech.
Yes, sir. Y'all looking good too. All right, let's get it going. Sir. What you running in here, man?
2 death balance fights on 4,000 watts with a recoil amp.
Yes, sir. Got it looking good, man.
Yeah, we did the wiring yesterday. Alright, you ready?
I'm ready.
Be fine. And there's a dB meter up there. Yes, sir, man. I sure appreciate the demo, man. Where can they find you? Are you on? Are y'all online or anywhere? I'm on TikTok.
Okay, where can they find you at?
__not _ Connor. CONNER.
Okay, I'm gonna be sure to tag you in the video.
What mine is, Connor? You know what mine is? TikTok. I think it's 44302.
And here's. Soon we're doing a big build with 2 ZV6s. And we're gonna get like an 8K amp.
Yeah, y'all can go with 2 big subs back there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm at _Ford Pool.
Okay.
All lowercase.
Okay, y'all be sure to give them a follow. I'm gonna tag them down below. I'm gonna give you that way y'all can find the video. I gave you another one too. So it's another one over there. Y'all both can have one.
Awesome.
You know, that way when I get home, I'm gonna make sure y'all's video is the first one I put up, man.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I appreciate the demo, man.
Thank you.
This might be the last one of the day. It might be the best one of the day too, man.
Awesome.
I sure appreciate it, man.
Thank you very much,
Thank
man.
y'all.
Appreciate it.
I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one, man. I'm sure I'll see y'all at another show.
Absolutely.
Thank y'all.
Thank you.
Can you please push that down?
This right here?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. You wanna get a picture in there? Thank y'all.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay.
You got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.